What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to Pally's Little Kitchen down a yard, man. Today I will be doing for you sorrel with Ribena. Yeah, we're going to pair these two together, and I am using some ginger and orange peel. Guys, you don't know these are powerhouse by themselves. The sorrel and the Ribena. You don't know say a powerhouse that by themselves. So just imagine the two of them pair together. Oh. So I am going to go ahead now and get these things ready and come right back. Yeah. So just beating up my ginger, guys. Pounding the ginger so that it can release all that flavor when I put it in the boiling water. So we're going over to the pot right now, so come along. So bring your water to a boil, tossing in my ginger, orange peel, and I'm gonna toss in the sorrel, Ribena, and we're not going to let that boil enough, guys. As soon as the water come to a boil again, I'm gonna lock the stove off, because remember, the water, you have to bring your water to a boil. So when I open the pot now and tossing in everything, you know, the boil that the water is boiling, you know that going to cool down. So as soon as it come to a boil, I'm just gonna lock the stove off. Yes, guys, so I finish draw my sorrel and Ribena, and I go ahead and strain it out. It's a whole lot of sorrel and Ribena, so I'm doing it little by little. Yeah. So I just strain off this batch. So this is our orange peel. This is what going to flavor up our sorrel juice as well. Yeah, man. Not to mention the ginger. So you don't know what two powerhouse thing this put together. So you want now we are going to sweeten up the thing, you know. We are getting at the sweetening mood, you know. Alright? So stay with me, don't go anywhere. Booms. To the sweetening. So we are on to our sweetening process. So we're using some brown sugar, some nice brown sugar right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and sweeten this, then taste it to see if it is to my desire. If not, I'm gonna put a little more sugar in it. So guys, after sweetening my sorrel and give it a strain with the strainer, I am now straining it with my cheesecloth, just to remove any little particles that leave back. Because you don't know, sometimes the sugar can act up and have some little things, you know. So we don't want that when we enjoy our sorrel, our nice authentic Jamaican sorrel. And we are ready to serve our nice authentic Jamaican sorrel, Jamaican style.